I also want to cover a couple of other ways that student loans might be eliminated. The first is loan cancellation. Your loan might be canceled if there were serious issues with the school you attended, such as the school closed while you were enrolled. A loan might be canceled if the school failed to pay you a refund that you were owed, or if the school falsely allowed you in. Another way a loan might be eliminated is called discharge. A loan discharge can happen for several reasons, but becoming disabled and unable to work is one of them. If you're a veteran, and the Department of Veteran Affairs determines that you're unemployable due to service-related disability, your student loans can be discharged. If you're receiving Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, or Supplemental Security Income, SSI, you could be eligible for discharge. And if you're unable to engage in substantial gainful employment or activities due to a total and permanent disability verified by your doctor, you're also eligible for a discharge. Here's a more complete chart of forgiveness, cancellation, and discharge programs. Most of these programs apply to direct federal loans. A few of them don't apply to Perkins loans. However, the Perkins Loan Cancellation Program is unique and only applies to Perkins loans.